Okay, so now we're going to solve problem 4D. And the problem reads that the sum of the digits 7, 8, 9 equals 24, and how many three-digit numbers have the sum equal to 24, including 7, 8, 9. So uh, let's try to answer these questions. Do we understand that question? Do we see a pattern? Do we have enough information? And do we have a plan to solve it? So, first thing is we need to recognize, to understand the question, that this is a counting problem. We need to count these numbers in an organized fashion. Now, when it says the sum of the digits 7, 8, 9 equals 24, what they mean is that if we sum the digits 7 plus 8 plus 9, that equals 24. Now, how does that work? Well, 7 plus 8 is 15, and 15 plus 9 equals 24. Okay, so what they want us to do is they want us to find three-digit numbers like 7, 8, 9 that if we add the individual digits to each other, that they equal 24 as well, and we want to know how many of those three-digit numbers satisfy that condition. So let's do it this way. If we take these two numbers, okay, these two add to 17, correct? 8 plus 9 is 17. Okay, so if we change the first digit to 6, okay, then 6 plus what number equals 24? Or we can do 24 minus 6 is going to be 18, right? So what two numbers added to each other gives me 18? Well, 699, because 9 plus 9 equals 18, plus 6 is 24. So actually, let me start putting my answers here. So we already know that 789 is a number. We just found another one. 699 is another number. So now let's actually start moving that number up, because if we go to 5, then these two numbers would have to equal to 19, but there is no two numbers that we can add to each other to give us to 19, the sum of 19, right? So we can only go up. So let's if we go 8, okay, so 24 minus 8 is going to be 18. I'm sorry, it's going to be 16, 18, I'm sorry. So I'm sorry, 16, it's too late. Okay, so let's see, 7 plus 9, right, is 16, correct? So 16 plus 8 is 24, so we just found another number. 8, 7, 9. Okay. We can also reverse the order of these two to give us another number. So it will be 8 plus 16 gives us 24. So 8 plus, I'm sorry, 9 plus 7. So that would be 897. Okay, it's another number. So now let's we actually skipped. If the first number is 7, we have one more. So if the first number is 7, okay, 24 minus 7 is 17. But if we take this number and we invert the last two digits, 798, that's also it's also going to work. 9 plus 8 is 17. So 798 is also an answer. So now let's move. If the first digit is 9, so we have 24 minus 9. It's gonna be 19. 15. I'm sorry. So what two numbers added to each other is going to give me 15? Well, let's try 6 plus 9 is 15. So we have another number here, 969. And we can invert these two. So 9 plus 15 is going to be 24. We can invert these, 96. Oops. Okay. Notice that I inverted these, the order. 9, 9, 6. And also, what number we can, 7 plus 8 is also 15. So, I'm sorry, 9, 7, 8. And we can invert the order of those. So 9 plus 8 plus 7. Okay, the order is inverted. It's going to give me the same. Okay, so let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What are we missing? Question was, how many including? Let's see, what am I missing? Seven, 8. Oh, yes. If the number here, I missed one more combination. If the number that adds to 16, right? So if the number starts with an 8, what two numbers added to each other gives me 16? It's 8 plus 8 is 16, correct? So the one more number here is 8, 8, 8. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 total numbers. So the answer is there are 10 numbers whose and I need to bet. Oops. Sorry guys, don't mind me. So there are 10 3-digit numbers whose sum equal 24. Okay.